you can click on the Dubb icon and insert the video, right?
Yes. Yeah. So say for instance, if you've got Dubb, now Dubb is an integration that we do. And with Dubb, basically you can put your cursor wherever you want the video to go. You click on the little Dubb icon and allow, and I'm not sure if you guys see this, but you can, pick a video from the list and then it will put it into the system for you. And the thing about Dubb is whenever they watch it, it logs it and stuff. So there's a lot of good things that you can do there.
Basically, Dubb has a Chrome extension that allows it to work inside of SAM. So if you decide Dubb is the integration you want to use, you can get it, and it basically mounts onto your Chrome extensions, and then it'll allow you to use it in SAM.
Whenever we go into, we cancel out of this, we go into the upper right corner, we go into our integrations. We have a section here for Dubb. And with Dubb, you actually, there's two parts of it. You do need to create a connection in order for it to do the following and stuff of that contact, which is here. But if you don't have it filled out, Dubb still works because it's a Chrome extension. It'll still do it. It's just there's some tracking, extra tracking that gets done if you have this information filled in. You'll enter your Dubb API key. You go into Dubb. There's an area where you create a new API key. You would call it SAM, and then paste that in here and save that. And then you can generate a webhook key that you give to them where they'll send us information. So it kind of goes back and forth. So that's what that is for.